It was a dark and stormy night when a group of thrill-seekers signed up for the notorious haunted house tour. The guide, Tom, was known for his spooky stories and his impressive ghost costume. As they entered the creaky old mansion, Tom got so into character that he forgot he was supposed to lead the group, instead wandering off to prepare a surprise scare. Meanwhile, the guests were feeling brave, laughing off the eerie ambiance. Suddenly, Tom jumped out dressed as a ghost, arms flailing. The guests screamed, but not in fear. They were laughing hysterically. Tom was so startled by their reaction that he tripped over a broom, leading to an epic tumble and an unforgettable punchline. "Guess I'm not the ghost they were expecting."